Hey, Arnab, it's Nick Weber from CI Technologies with another project for you guys. This is Arlington, Mass. There are 12,629 parcels on about 190 tax maps. The overall goal here is to take dimensions and areas from surveys provided by the town and update their current GIS information. There's a list here of all the surveys I'll be providing for you. And thing to remember here is the annotation on these surveys is going to take precedent over any existing annotation that may be on these maps. So the surveys are more current than the GIS. You're going to be using these four feature classes: block, dimension, frontage, lot size. Just to be clear, the frontage and dimensions are essentially the same thing, but frontage is going to be all of these pieces of annotation that are along the roadways, and then anything abutting another parcel will just be a dimension. You won't need to be creating or adjusting anything other than dimensions, frontage, lot size, and block. In addition to capturing all of the information on the surveys, we're also asking that you adjust existing annotation to not conflict with property lines, buildings. You can also see quite a bit of conflict with these address points here. So one thing the town would like to see is these dimensions be a little more snug on these property lines, and in a worst case scenario, either leadered in or put in the road so they can clean these up. The town is going to be cleaning up these street numbers, and their goal is to ultimately have them on the front of all of these houses. So if you could make sure, even if they maybe aren't conflicting right this minute, just make sure they're nice and snug on the roadway line. And then I'm also going to recommend for the area text, if we could try to move it somewhere within the parcel, but maybe not the dead center of the parcel, as the town's going to be labeling all these lots, so we don't want to conflict with those labels. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. The town's even provided some placement rules that I've put in the work order. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a buzz.